What's up everybody? As always, I hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. If you're new here, I'm Jordan, a sneaker collector local to Las Vegas area. In today's video, we're going to be going down to the Las Vegas Strip and seeing if there are any Gym Red Dunks, Rose Whisper Dunks, or Jordan 4 Canyon Purples sitting. We also picked up a few sneakers, so make sure to stay tuned to the end of the video to see what those are. I'm assuming if you're watching this video right now, you like sneakers. I like sneakers as well. This whole channel revolves around sneaker content, so make sure to drop a sub. We are on the road to 2,000 subs. Really quick before we get into the video, check out Kicked Out LV on Insta or on Poshmark. Links are in the description. Let's get into this.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Fashion show mall, getting ready for Halloween. First place we're heading to, Shoe Palace. Now at Venetian, going to Shoe Palace. I won a pair of Gym Reds, and I believe Cody also won a pair of Gym Reds. So we're gonna go in, pick those up. Venetian is a beautiful place to visit. I believe I said that in the last vlog too. Like, look at this. You can take a ride on those. That restaurant, I definitely want to eat there one day. That is beautiful. Sloan's is also a great ice cream place. But yeah, very fun place to visit. Nice water. Definitely a memorable experience. To get my stuff. Cody got his stuff, and my dad actually ended up winning another pair of Dunks. I'll go over that in a second when we're at home. So here are today's pickups. But before we get into these, I want to talk about the Jordan 4 in the Canyon Purple colorway. So when I went to sign up, I was like, I feel like these are gonna sit. So I was like, let me only do one raffle entry. They did not sit. We went to the stores at 4 o'clock, so it was already pretty late in the day, and each store that I went to did have Canyon Purple Jordans in GS sizes. No stores had the men's, but I feel like maybe if you went in the morning or if you went to Nike Town, if they did a release, you might have got lucky. I wasn't able to hit, but I'm perfectly okay with that. Let's go ahead and look at these Dunks. These are from me, Cody, and my dad. So one pair of Rose Whispers. Okay, that is a Rose Whisper as well. 3. At every Shoe Palace, it did look like a lot of people were picking up, so I'm not sure how many of these we will see popping up in Las Vegas. But overall, a very subtle shoe. I really like the colors. Oh, okay, so these are the USC Dunks. I did not get to see them in store. It is this really nice deep red. We get the USC Trojan yellow on the back and the tongue tag. We are laced up with white laces. Overall, which sneaker do you guys like more, the USC Dunk Lows or the Rose Whispers? Personally, I really like these Rose Whispers. Reviews on these will be up shortly. We're on the road to 2,000 subs. Let me know, would you cop or drop these, and were you able to pick up the Jordan 4 in the Canyon Purple colorway? Make sure to check out at Kicked Out LV on Insta, and if you want to check out Codys Insta as well, at Akame Kicks LV. All the links are in the description. As always, I hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Till next time, guys. Peace.